try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right girl, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. We're just here preparing for Manchester United versus Leeds. It's going to be a hell of a game today. A hell of a game. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be tough. It's going to be very, very tough. But listen, we can do it, fam. We have David De Gea in goal. Dalot is back. Varane, Martinez, Shaw. We have Sabitzer in the midfield, Fred, Bruno Fernandes. We have Rashford on the right, Wargas in the middle, and the young man Garnacho up front on the left hand side. So yeah, we are easy winters, so we can relax and we head out after play that focus on next game in hand. So let's see what we have, bro. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do, fam. Let's see what we can do. Yeah! Just you go. Let us go. Good goal, Rashford. Good goal. Good fucking goal. Let's go! Let's go! I told you up to them. Fuck out, Nick. Let's go! So when I think about it, friend. Bumbo card there go. Referee, no red card that. No red card that, referee. No red card that. Where do you yellow card? Where do you yellow card, referee? Right side. Oh my God. Oh my God. People, I guess you can't say we rally back, but it should have been 3-2. 4-2. The boy have to get beat up. First 3 minutes of the first half, first 3 minutes of the second half, them score. What the fuck, fam? What the actual fuck, yo? I don't know, fam. I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't know. Honestly, don't know. But you make the man in jar versus us today. This bomb, sure. Best yourself, best of others, Manaz.